So I finally got my hands on this advanced clinical vitamin C brightening body lotion. I have used it for 7 days and I am here to tell you all about it. So what did you hear about this body lotion? Have you used it before? Are you planning to buy it and use it for yourself? You want to know much about this body lotion? You are at the right place. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing this advanced clinical vitamin C body lotion for you guys. If this is something you're interested in, make sure to watch this video till the end. Hi Jennifers, welcome back to my space. This is Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing a very popular body lotion for you guys today. I know you must have heard about this particular body lotion and you want to know more about it. Are you planning to, buy this advanced clinical for yourself, for your skin? If you are intending to purchase this body lotion for yourself and you want to know how it works, if it actually worked for me, just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to be telling you everything I noticed about this body lotion while I was using it. Mind you, I have used this body lotion for 7 days, so I'm going to tell you all about it. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into today's video. So I have heard so much about this body lotion. Trust me, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, I've heard so much about this body lotion, and I've gotten a lot of comments asking me about this body lotion, to review this body lotion and all of that. And thank goodness this body lotion has actually been on my bucket list, so I decided to get my hands on it and use it. All right, so I am back now with the review, you guys. As you can see, I got two, because if you really want to use a product and know more about it, to really see how it works, one bottle is not enough. You have to use up to 2 or 3 bottles. So here I am. I got 2 bottles for myself. I'm going to tell you all about it now. As you can see, I started using it. Okay, now what I noticed about this body lotion is that it is very thick. Okay, very thick, as you can see. Okay, yeah, if you have dry skin, this body lotion is going to be really good for you. And I discovered that this body lotion is also going to be really good for Harmattan weather. As you can see, it's really thick. It doesn't dissolve into the body easily. As you can see, that very small portion I added to my hands, I am still massaging it onto my skin. It will take a while before it is completely absorbed into your skin. It will really take a while. It does not absorb into the skin easily. You have to massage it for a while. That's another thing I noticed about this body lotion. And it is quite moisturizing. Can you see it's hydrating and moisturizing? But to me, I don't for the price, I bought it for 16,500 naira. Okay, so you can get it for 16,500 up until 28,000 naira. I've seen these body lotions in some supermarkets for 28,000 naira. Okay, so yeah, it ranges from that 16,000 to 28k depending on where you're buying it from. Okay, and for the size, it is quite big. This is about 16 ounces. It's big. Okay, it's going to last you for a period of time, and smells nice, has fragrance. So if you're the type that don't use anything with fragrance, just know that this particular body lotion contains fragrance, and I don't mind. I like the fragrance. I love it. I don't mind at all. I don't mind. But if you know that you're allergic to anything fragrance, just know that this body lotion contains fragrance. Okay, after using it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour thereabouts, I noticed that I sweat on that area. It makes me sweat. That's one thing you should consider before buying this body lotion. Okay, And it is written here that it is an advanced brightening cream, okay, that is going to brighten the appearance of age spots, meaning that it's very, very good if you have acne spots or spots on your skin or your body. This body lotion is going to fade out those spots. It also says that it's going to refine the look of discolored skin, meaning that if you have discolorations or patches on your skin, that this body lotion is going to work out for that. Contains ferulic acid, it contains coconut oil, and it also contains vitamin E. It's also dry girl friendly. I know that coconut oil is a very good moisturizer. You can use it both morning and night because it is a vitamin C lotion. So you can use it both morning and night, and you can use it every day as well. So it is written here that it is for all skin types. So if you have a dry skin, you have oily skin, you have sensitive skin, whatever skin type you have, you can use this body lotion. Barcode here to scan it. If you think that you bought a fake one, you can scan this barcode here and scan this barcode here to be sure that you've gotten the real one. Now, does this body lotion brighten the skin? Like I said earlier, you have to use up to 2 or 3 bottles to be sure, really sure, if it brightens the skin or not. You have to use up to 2 bottles to 3 bottles, and I have not finished my bottles yet. In fact, I am just starting this particular one, so I'm going to finish this particular bottle, come back and give you a review, finish the 2 of them, come back and give you a fully, as in what I mean a fully, I mean detailed review. Okay, so stick to this channel if you want to know more about this body lotion, because I'll be coming in with a detailed review about it. But for what is what, I've heard a lot of splendid and good things about this body lotion, and I believe that it's going to work for me. Yes, so guys, let me know if you have used this body lotion before. Let me know if this is something you're currently using, and let me know your experience while you were using the product. Did it work for you? Did it brighten you up? Did it darken your skin? Let us know in the comment section. All right, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay glowing.